So what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be working on the Civic. I'm gonna be making the amp rack because I have 3 amps I gotta mount since I'm doing the door speakers, the speaker box, and the subs. So we're gonna be making a template, and I have the wood in the back of the car so that we can figure out how I'm gonna mount other amps, and then the subs and the tank. I'm gonna probably have to move it from there since it might block subs, and relocate all that. So let's see. So just so you guys know, this is about a 1.5 years without emptying the tank, so I'm doing no maintenance on it. So let's see how much water it has. So that's why you should empty your tank probably every 2-3 months. Had a lot of water in there. So I got all the tank out, the management I just unplugged and left the air in the line, so just the tank. So now I'm gonna, excuse the mess, it's literally a mess. I'm gonna use cardboard and template out where I want the amp rack to be, or I don't know if it's called the amp rack, I'm assuming, so whatever. And I'm gonna measure the space it has, because it's obviously gonna need a little bit of a gap when the seats are up. So I'm assuming if I just put it around here, because there's already an amp on the seat there, if I put it around here, should be fine for all 3 amps since they're pretty small amps. So we got Andy helping us here. So right now he's making the template for, you know, the layout that we're doing. That's his E60. So we got pretty much the basic measurements that we need for that. So before cutting the wood, we do that. Coronavirus. I think I see what your issue is. That's not gonna go for the tank.
Taillights over there. What is this big ass hole? Is this like, does it fit or something? The aftermarket taillights? It's all like stupid taillights.
What are you talking about?
this big ass gap. You made a big ass hole in that thing. You cut it all up.
This?
Yeah, you got mad fabricant.
The car was like that when I bought it. See, remember I made these brackets in your house because whoever cut them fucked it up.
Damn, bro, that's crazy. Pilot.
So we got basically the template that we're gonna be doing the amp rack in. I was gonna wrap it in carpet, but we decided it's gonna be blocked by subs anyway, so we'll just use like the black textured paint on the front of this, and we're gonna bolt it down with like L brackets and stuff. Fuck! I guess we can slide it under, the thing that goes under here. So that's gonna be basically how it looks, and then all the amps. The amps management and compressor are gonna be back here. So you see we left enough space to put the compressor and the management just bolted down there. So it'll be all good. What we did to the floorboard, I think it's called, I'm not sure. So we cut an extra on the plastic here. It normally hinges through the back, but that's gonna be covered from the wood back where the stuff is mounting. So now, when this is on and the wall is there, if I get a flat or anything, I can still get my spare. Because you know, obviously before you wouldn't be able to, that's all blocked. But now we still have access to spares or whatever else is gonna be down there. Good to go. I need to clean this shit, this shit is all rusted. You know that broken thing that holds it? I had to break it to get my spare. It doesn't spin. So now we put the wall up there. So this is what we were talking about. See the slit? We still have access to all that bottom. So we just gotta tidy up the outside and mount up the amps in the back. And then
like nothing's ever there.
Should be good to go. Looks much cleaner than before too, with the wall and all this, all the cables and all that shit.
No cables, just a sub box and that's it.
Boom.
And you could probably just shoot the cables from the sub box from the bottom.
Mm-hmm. So you just
right through and just plug them in. That's it. Too much glare from the sun.
So this is basically gonna be the setup on this side. We have the speaker box amp, the voice amp, sorry, the bass amp, and then the door speakers, the management, and then the compressor on that side. So it looks pretty organized. I'm gonna obviously run the wires when I get the adapters to split the main wire from the battery. Did mess up a little bit, obviously, well not obviously, but because the screws are too long for the wood, but I'm not really too worried about it since it's gonna be covered. So it looks pretty straight. So let me finish bolting these up and then it should be all good to go. So we have the setup basically done. I'm getting the tank filled now. Might do the door speakers today. I'm not too sure, but this is the good thing about having it like this. So put everything up. Super dirty.